So today we're at Daytona Milton Keynes for a 20-minute sprint race, and let me tell you, it was crazy. So lots of action, lots of overtaking, and some quite big hits. So I suggest you watch to the end. If you come out of the pits, we're going to start our qualifying session, which is 10 minutes long, so let's see what lap we can get. So going into the sweeping right-hander, we got a back marker there. They kind of let us through, but there's a yellow flag, so annoying, but it was our first lap, it didn't really matter. But the same thing happened a few laps later, and this all just added up and made us not get the best lap, and we're starting P4 for the race, which isn't the best, but we couldn't do any better. Anyway, let's get started with the race. So we got 1 light, 2 light, 3 light, 4 light, 5 light, and let's get underway. So now in the start, trying to get up the inside here, making a quite small gap, but we're going to try and get in, but we're going to back out into the chicane, trying to hold it around the outside. That's just not going to work. So trying to get a switchback because this driver ahead defends, but we get a little tap from behind, which just doesn't help. But now we're going to try and go past. We're still going to be side by side, but we managed to squeeze them out, and they absolutely bog off wide into the right-hander. And now it's just all about getting our head down and locking in. So now we're going to get out into this hairpin. We're up into P3, so we're in the podium positions, and the driver ahead goes side by side with the other guy with the same helmet as me. We're going to try and go up the inside. It's a good place to go for a move, and there's a back marker there, so the guy with the orange suit goes to the outside, and we get squeezed down, so this back marker does not see me whatsoever, and we have to concede the position. So we were going to be up into P2, but now we're down to P3, and now as we go into the sweeping right-hander, this guy just turns into me, which is interesting. But into this corner, we can see that it's going to be a yellow flag. So, okay, something's happened. Normally there's a yellow flag down here. But, in fact, it's going to turn into a red flag. So, something bad's obviously happened.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
So this guy obviously didn't see me as he was braking, and I got quite a big hit. You might have heard me grunt.
Slightly injured. I'm going to give you a quick rebrief. Third beat stop, as you will know. I'm going to hold up yellow in a couple of minutes. That means we continue at a slow pace. I'm then going to wait green, which means we can then continue at racing speed. Any questions? You hear me?
So now this guy's just giving us a debrief of what happened. And we have to wait here for an absolute eternity until eventually we get back to racing. And anyway, down into this hairpin, the guy with the orange suit goes up the inside, so we're going to try and follow him through, which works momentarily, but we have quite a moment on the inside and we lose the position there, and that really just didn't help. So we're just going to try and close them down. This guy with my helmet, he's probably bumped this guy with the red suit, and that's what I was saying, sorry. And here we just go up the inside, good move, textbook, but he's going to get a switchback. So what might happen here? So we're going to go side by side into the right-hander. We're going to try and go through. He's going to try and get a switchback. He bumps us off wide, and he kind of has to let us through. So in the end, we keep the position. Anyway, so now down into this right-hander. We're just going to skip forwards a bit onto the final lap. So what can happen here? Through the chicane, taking all the track there, and going bumpy quite a bit through there, going defensive on the line, and this guy ahead gets not the best line, and so this guy behind to try and go up the inside, and yeah, obviously it's not going to work. So we're going to try and go down into P2. He keeps poking his head in. We didn't get the best run out of that corner, so he's going to go side by side. But into here, down into the corner just before the long straight, this guy ahead, he's going to try and go up the inside of the back marker, and he's going to get absolutely punted off into the barrier, and we're going to go up to P2, but now we're going to go side by side with this driver behind. We've done this before, we know what to do. So into this corner, we've got the inside for the left-hander, but he's got the inside for the hairpin, but he backs out a little bit, and we manage to keep the position. So overall, as we go around the final corner, I don't think he's going to get the move done. And yeah, here we go, up into P2. So from 4th place to P2, we're going to finish the race there. Good finish, and let's just go get our trophy. So Hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed it as well. And, well, if you want more content like this, remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.